Hello? Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Good evening. I cannot see you. Hello?
Yeah. Hello, teacher.
I cannot see you. Hello?
Hello,
Okay.
teacher.
Hello, Bang. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. Well, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now let's start our lesson. Do not eat your microphone. Okay. All right, so now let's continue our lesson back. So we are now on lesson 4, phonics. Okay, so we are going to sing the ABC song. Okay? Okay, so let's sing together for a while. Okay, so let's sing that.
Page 64. Lesson 4. Phonics. A. Say and sing. The alphabet.
Correct.
T
T,
U V.
U,
The
V.
alphabet,
The
the
alphabet.
alphabet,
The
the
alphabet. The
alphabet,
alphabet.
the alphabet,
The
the
alphabet.
alphabet,
Alphabet.
the
The
alphabet.
alphabet.
A
A,
B C
B,
D
C,
E
D,
F G
F, G,
H I J K L M N
L,
O
L,
P
N, O, P.
Q
Q,
R S
R, S,
T U
U, U,
V
V.
W
W,
X
X,
Y Z
Y, Z.
A B C
C,
D
D,
E
E,
F G
F, G,
H I
I,
J
J,
K
K,
L M
L,
N O
O, P,
P
Q,
Q R S
R, S,
T U V
V,
W
W,
X
X,
Y
Y,
Z.
Z.
The alphabet, the alphabet, the alphabet,
Alphabet,
the alphabet, the
alphabet, the
alphabet, the
alphabet, the
alphabet.
alphabet.
Okay, very good, Pan. Great job. Okay, so now let's read the ABC song, the ABC rather. Okay, so what letter is this? Letter. What letter is this?
T,
A,
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 P, C, D, E, F, Z, X, I, Y, K, L, N,
10.
N, O, P, Q, R, F, G, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
V.
Z.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's go to
I,
letter
T,
B.
I, P, C, D, E, F, G,
Okay,
H,
so now
I, J,
listen
K,
back.
L, M, N, O,
Page
P.
64. B. Listen, point, and say. 1,
1,
T,
T,
teacher,
T, teacher,
Very good.
teacher,
2,
U,
what?
up,
Up.
3,
V,
V,
violin,
violin,
Okay.
la,
Okay,
la,
so
la,
now look at
la,
this back. Look at this.
pull
What letter is
out,
this? What letter is this back? Letter.
letter,
Look at
Z,
this. T.
Z,
T. T. Letter T.
letter T,
Okay, very good. Now the sound of letter T is T. T.
ta, ta, ta,
Okay, one more. T. T.
ta, ta,
Teacher.
teacher,
Okay. T. T.
teacher,
Teacher.
teacher,
Okay, very good. Number 2. What letter is this? Letter.
letter 1,
Okay, letter U.
letter U,
Okay. Now the
R,
sound the sound of letter U is ah. Ah. Okay, one more. Ah. Ah.
R, R,
Up. Up.
R,
Up.
R,
Okay, very good. Number 3, look at this. What letter is this? What letter is this? Letter
letter
V.
letter V,
V.
V,
Okay, so the sound of letter V is V. V.
V,
V. V.
V, V,
Okay, very good. Now say V. V.
V,
Violin.
R,
Violin.
violet,
Okay, one more. V. V.
V,
Violin.
violet, V,
Violin.
violet,
Okay, one more. Violin.
violet,
Okay, very good. Good job. So now let's go to letter C. Okay, so now back, you are going to look and find the letters C, U, and V. Okay? All right, very good.
Jamon,
Yes, I'm here. Okay, where is it? Find the letter C, letter U, and letter V. Very good. What's that? It's a, okay, very good. Letter U. Where's the letter U? The big T and the small t. The big U and the small u. And the big V and the small v. Okay, so you already found the big T. Okay, and the big V and the big U. Okay. How about the small u, the small t, and the small v? Where is it? Okay. So here's the small U and the small T. How about no, that's a train. The small V. The small V. Okay, last one. The small V. No. Okay, so teacher will find the small V. So, okay, so here's the small V. It's in the plane. Okay. All right, so now let's go to letter D. Okay, so let's make the letters C, letter U, and V. Okay, so we are going to make these letters, using our hand. Okay, so what letter is that? It's a big,
T.
big T.
T.
Okay, big T.
T. T.
T, T.
T.
T, T. Okay, big T. Okay, how about with that? What is that? Small, small T. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's do the small T. Small T. Okay, okay, very good. Okay, so we are done with the big T, the small T. So now let's do the big U. Big U. The big U, the big one. Okay, the small U. How about the big V? Big V. Big V. Okay, and the small V. Small V. Small V. Oh, it's a heart. Okay. All right, so now let's go to the next page.
Sirama.
Tirama. What's
Melody.
tirama? What's
Kitty.
that?
Kitty.
Teacher.
Kitty.
Okay. So now back, we are now on unit
Apple.
8. Okay, so let's read the title of our topic. Okay, follow teacher. My, my, my body. My body. Okay, one more. My
Body.
body.
My body.
No, not body. It's a body. Body. Okay.
Body.
Okay. One more. My body.
Party.
Okay, very good. Now, lesson 1, we are going to talk about
What?
my my face.
My coffee.
My
What?
face. What? My
My
face.
feet. What?
Face. Face.
My feet.
Very good.
Feet.
Yeah.
Feet.
Okay, okay, so now listen back.
Page 66. Unit 8. My body. Lesson 1. My face. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Ears,
Ears.
2,
eyes,
Okay.
3,
mouth,
4,
nose,
Okay. All right, now look at the picture back. What is this? Number 1. Look at this. This one. Ears. Ears. Okay, where's your ears? Can you show me your ears? Where is your ears? Ears. Ears. Okay. Okay. Number 2. Look at this. This is eyes. Eyes. Hello, Bang. Look at teacher. Hello. Eyes. Eyes. Okay. Number 3. Okay, look at this. What is this? Mouth. 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 Okay, very good. Number 4. What is this? What's this? Nose. Nose. Okay. So now let's look at the pictures. Okay, so look at this bag. What is this? Hello. Hello, bag. Okay, what is this? Look at the picture. Ears. Okay, very good. This one. What is this? What is this, man? What is this? Eyes. Eyes. Okay, show me your eyes. Where's your eyes? Can you point your eyes? Eyes. Oh, do not eat your microphone. Eyes. Point your eyes. Eyes. Okay. This one. What is this? Mouth. Mouth. Okay. Okay. Next. What is this? Nose. Nose. Okay, very good. So now, Bang, let's go to letter B. Okay, so listen and point, okay? So listen carefully and point the correct picture. Okay,
Page
listen, Bang.
66. B. Listen and point.
One nose. Two eyes. One mouth. Two ears.
Okay. All right, now follow teacher. Look at this. Okay, look at this.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher muốn nghe nè.
Okay, one nose.
One nose.
Very good. Two eyes.
Two hai.
Two eyes.
Two hai.
Eyes, not highs.
Hai.
Two eyes.
Two eye.
Very good. One mouth.
One mouth.
One mouth.
One mouth.
Okay, very good. Two ears.
Two ears.
Two
ơi.
ears.
Two ears.
Okay,
ơi.
very good. Okay, so now look at this back. Listen and say. Okay, so listen first.
Page 67. C. Listen and say. 1.
I
Oh
can
my.
touch my ears.
Listen, listen.
2.
Nhắm mắt này hồ vào
I can touch my eyes.
Nhắm mắt này hồ
Three.
vào ta.
I can touch my mouth.
4.
I can touch my nose.
Okay. All right, so now let's say it. Okay, let's start with number 1. Okay, number 1 bag. I can touch. I can touch. Follow teacher. I can touch Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Okay, follow teacher. I can touch
I can touch
my ears.
my ears.
Okay, one more time. I can touch. I can touch
Uh,
my ears.
my ears.
Okay, so where is your ears bag? Can you touch your ears? Can you touch your ears? Touch your ears like this. Look at teacher. Touch your ears. Ears. Ears.
Ears.
Okay, I can touch my ears. Okay, number two. Number two, I can touch
Cursor.
my eyes.
My eyes.
Okay, one more. I can touch my eyes.
I can
Okay, look at the picture, Bang. Look at teacher, okay? Touch your eyes. Where is your eyes? Can touch my eyes. Hello, Bang. I can touch my eyes.
my eyes.
Okay. Number
Number
number three. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. I can touch my mouth.
open.
I can touch.
Okay.
I can touch my mouth.
My mouth.
Okay, very good. Now, how about number four? I can touch my nose.
I can color.
Okay, one more. I can touch my nose. Okay, are you feeling hot?
Teacher.
Okay.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Bang. Okay, so listen to teacher. Okay, so now let's go to letter D. We are going to sing a song. Okay, so let's sing the song. My face.
Page 67. D. Sing.
Sing back.
My face.
My face.
2 ears, 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth. I can touch my ears. I can touch my eyes.
Hello.
I can touch my nose. I can touch my mouth.
I can touch my ears. I can touch my eyes.
Back.
I can touch my nose. I can touch my mouth. 2 ears, 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth.
Okay. All right. So now let's go to the next page. Okay, so now let's have lesson 2 back. Lesson 2. Okay, follow teacher. Let's read. My body.
My party.
Body.
Party.
B.
Party.
Body.
Party.
Okay, very good. My body.
My party.
Body.
Party.
My body.
My party.
Okay, very good. So now listen back.
Page 68. Lesson 2. My body. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Clap my hands.
2,
Stomp my feet.
Stomp my feet.
On my
3,
feet.
Swing my arms.
Swing
With
my
my arm.
arm.
4,
Shake my legs.
With my lamb.
Okay, so now let's read together. Follow teacher back. Okay, look at the picture. Number 1. Clap my hands. Okay, clap my hands. Clap my hands.
Clap my hands.
Okay, very good. Number
Ah.
2. Number 2. Stomp my feet.
Stomp my feet.
Very good. One more. Stomp my feet.
Stomp my
Very
feet.
good. Number 3. Swing my arms.
Teacher, teacher,
Swing my arms.
teacher, teacher,
Swing. Okay, follow teacher.
teacher,
Swing my arms. Okay, very good. Number 4. Shake my legs.
my leg,
Shake my legs.
my
Okay, very good. Now look at this picture, Bang. Okay, what is this? What's this, Bang? Clap my hands.
my hand,
Clap my hands.
my hand, clap,
Clap
clap,
my hands. Very good. Stamp your feet.
turn up, turn up, my
Stamp
feet,
your feet.
the feet,
Okay, this one. Swing your arms.
the up,
Swing,
you,
swing your arms.
the up,
Okay, this one. Shake my leg.
take my leg,
One more. Shake my leg.
take my leg.
Okay, very good. All right, so now back. Let's go to letter B. Listen, ask, and answer. Okay, so let's listen first.
page 68. B. Listen, ask, and answer. 1,
What can you do? I can clap my hands.
2,
What can you do? I can stomp my feet.
3,
What can you do? I can swing my arms.
4,
What can you do?
Teacher,
I can shake my legs.
teacher.